Hi, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Petfinder mobile app works. Petfinder is designed to connect users with adoptable pets from thousands of shelters and rescues across the United States. Whether you're looking to adopt a dog, cat, or another type of companion animal, the app helps streamline the search with filters based on breed, age, size, location, and more. Once you open the app, you can browse through a wide range of pets using the search function. Each pet profile includes detailed descriptions, photos, and shelter contact information. You can also save pets to your favorites list, apply to adopt directly through the app, or get redirected to the shelter's site for more information. Petfinder also includes educational resources about pet adoption and animal care, making it easier for new pet parents to make informed decisions. Pros of the Petfinder mobile app include its user-friendly interface, extensive database of adoptable pets, and helpful filters that make the search process efficient. It also allows you to contact shelters directly and provides useful adoption guidance. However, the app's cons include occasional outdated listings, limited real-time availability updates, and some users reporting issues with location-based results. Based on recent user reviews, many users have praised the app's large variety of pets and easy navigation. One reviewer shared that they successfully adopted their first pet through the app and appreciated the clear descriptions. However, others mentioned that they encountered some broken links when redirected to shelter websites or found pets that were already adopted still listed. In conclusion, the Petfinder app is a reliable tool for anyone looking to adopt a pet and get connected with shelters quickly. While there are minor flaws in listing accuracy, its wide coverage and educational resources make it a valuable starting point for adoption seekers. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.